Second round of the third fight between Algin John Galvez of Malayan Kung Fu. He's the one wearing black shorts with red stripes on the red corner. Datun Archie of Fitness Fury wearing blue shorts, red stripes on the red corner. Once again, we're thanking our sponsors, Victory Mall, and Gian, Axial Switching Station, Payantog Sports, the official sports equipment of the MUT, and Two Mineral Water. Second round of the third bout.
Sige, pasok, sige.
Magaling magpakita ng boxing skills ang red corner.
Pa.
And see how the blue corner will hold up and how he will fight back against boxing skill. Red corner.
Algin, combo.
Last 10 seconds of the second round of the third bout for the afternoon.
Yan, kamay.
Of Malayan Kung Fu. Alright, as the final stretch of the third round, we are seeing these two fighters
Algin,
fighting
kamay.
out.
Pagkanayin yung kamay, Algin. Kamay, Algin, kamay. Pagkanayin mo na yung
Tingnan
kamay mo.
natin kung sinong matibay na matitira.
Tiktak.
Tingnan natin if this will go and end at the judges' scorecard or we will witness
Pa, Algin.
KO. So far, mga fighters, bakbakan talaga sa bayan sila. Last 10 seconds of the final round of the third bout for the afternoon. Time! So we wait for the judges' scorecard and the decision for this third fight. Judge number 3, Elmer Fernandez of Pierre Camao. And the winner of the third fight, this is a unanimous decision, red corner, Algin John Galvez of Malayan Kung Fu.